So I've been asked how to do a proper down dog, and the emphasis I want to focus on today is the sensation, 3 sensations that you'll want to search for in your body to help you know that you are doing a downward dog that is quote unquote proper. And I say proper because it's different for every person. It's not necessarily how it looks, it's how it feels. So let's start in a 4-corner position. Okay, tuck the toes. And we want to stack the shoulder over the elbow over the wrist. We want to put more of the pressure at the base of the thumb and the forefinger, or in other words, the J that we create with our hand. Put pressure right there. This activates the forearms. We want to draw the belly in and up, creating distance between the hips and the rib cage. Then we draw our tailbone up to the sky. Now notice a lot of emphasis is here on my arms, on my upper body. I want to even out the sensation of stretch between my chest and the backs of my legs. One way to think about this is if I were on a plate of clay, a smooth plate of clay, sheet of clay, I would want an even indentation with my hands and my feet. So neither hands nor feet deeper indentation than the other, meaning that I'm distributing my weight evenly between my hands and my feet, my upper body and my lower body. That is sensation number 1, even distribution. Sensation number 2, softening the Achilles, allowing those heels to float toward the earth. They may not get there completely, and that is perfectly fine. We draw that stretch up through the backs of the legs. And finally, melting the chest toward the earth, lower belly toward the upper thighs to feel a stretch to the front of the body. I'm slipping here because I'm on carpet. And that's the beauty of the sticky mats. They really do help us engage and be safe. So let's start again. One more time, engaging the forearms by distributing the weight over the pointer base and the thumb base. Tuck the toes, raise the tailbone up. Distribute the weight evenly between front body and back body, or upper body and lower body. Continue to press the base of the thumb and the forefinger into the earth. Float the heels down toward the earth. It's about the intention, not about getting them all the way down. Feel the stretch up the backs of the legs into the chest. See if you can even out the stretch between the backs of the legs and the chest. 2 more deep breaths here. 1 more deep breath. Knees float down. And you've done your proper down dog.